I'm going to go back to 50 yards again and shoot one of the other SK ammos. I'll say what it is when up at the 50-yard bench, and we'll see what we can do with this No Pros Slap and Steel Level 1 challenge. Well, we're back at the 50-yard bench again, shooting No Pros Slap and Steel Level 1, and this time we're shooting SK Pistol Match. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, that's safety on. Upper left. Upper right. Ah, that one did not. So we're going to have to pause for a minute. Okay, well, we'll put one more back in the mag. I think we're just on our second shot. So we're on the upper right. And now the middle. Lower right. And the lower left. And we'll get back up to the top again. Upper left. Upper right. Center. Lower right. Lower left. Almost right. The bonus there is fine. I can barely see it, but we'll give it a couple shots. That is it. Yeah, we'll go take a look. Well, got two there, that one's almost off. Two there, two near the center there, and two there, and got one inside the red circle on the duck and one outside. So that was for me, that was probably halfway decent shooting, and most of it's thanks to the good ammo. I very seldom shoot good ammo. But anyhow, hey, everybody, thanks for being here. It's always fun being out. It's a beautiful day today. So only sad thing is my shooting range is polluted with weeds and grass and this, that, and the other. So anyhow, but hey, it's a great day. Can't complain. Everybody take care. Yeah, welcome back to Bobcat. We're down at the reloading bench to review the results of shooting No Pro's slapping steel level 1. And this time we shot it with SK pistol match through our stock Ruger 1022. And this is try to show you a better close-up of where the bullets hit on this. And on the first one here, we got one there, one there. On the second one, got one almost off the target and one near the center. And then in the middle target, got one close to the center, one on the edge. And on the bottom target here on the left, got two of them just off of the blue. And on the fifth target here, we got two of them actually in the yellow. So these scored at 10 points here, 2 5s, a 5 and a 0 there, so just 5, a 5 and a 2 here in the center, and 2 5s down here for 10. And on the lower right, we got 2 10s for 20, and actually hit the bonus. We got one actually in the duck for 10 points. So this whole thing added up to, we got 10, 5, 7, 10, and 20 for a grand total of 62, which for me was probably halfway decent. So anyhow, hey, thanks for being here. Always fun shooting. I appreciate No Pro for putting out this challenge target. It's a nice one. It's not so hard that guys like me can actually hit something. So anyhow, hey, thanks for being here. It's always a great day when you can be out shooting. Everybody take care.